Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the BUTTR Heavy Weighted Duty Butt Plug. So let's get started. So this is the BUTTR Heavy Duty Weighted Butt Plug itself. As you can see, this is not your standard butt plug and you can enjoy intense anal stimulation with this butt plug. Please note this is definitely not recommended for beginners and is recommended only for an advanced user or an expert user in anal stimulation. The entire butt plug is made of a body-safe silicone material which feels very smooth, soft and very comfortable to wear during use. The shaft at the top just here is flexible and so is the base. It's a very wide flat base to ensure it stays in place during use. As you can see, this plug has an egg shape, giving it a very challenging experience to the experienced user. This butt plug is weighted. Inside of this egg just here is a metal ball weighing 549 grams. As this is a weighted butt plug, it contains a metal ball on the inside just here, which weighs 549 grams, which guarantees a unique experience with every movement. Now, when using the heavy-duty weighted butt plug from BUTTR, we would highly recommend to use it in combination with a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Please note you cannot use a silicone lubricant in combination with a silicone sex toy. Alternatively, you can also use the BUTTR Fist Gel. The Fist Gel is water-based, so it's safe to use in combination with silicone sex toys. So when using the BUTTR Fist Gel in combination with the heavy-duty weighted butt plug, it's slightly different. It's a water-based formula, so you can use this in combination with silicone sex toys, and it's slightly thicker than your standard water-based lubricant as well, so it lasts longer for a smoother penetration as well. We recommend to clean this butt plug after every use, and for this we would recommend to clean with a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the BUTTR Heavy Duty Weighted Butt Plug. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.